Hey loves, so today I'll be showing you guys how we design these nails on fresh new acrylics. I won't be talking much in this video since it is a lot of repetition as you will see. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I did base my nails and then I am going to put the polish over wherever I want the design to be. And polish is not my strong suit, so I do clean up a bit and make it a little bit more crisp, you guys. Don't be afraid to use your liner brushes. Alrighty guys, so now I am going to repeat the same step on the rest of the nails. I am going to cure this in between each polish, you guys, for 60 seconds. Now for the middle and ring finger, I will be polishing the whole nail, so I will be basing it with some base coat. And then I will go over that with the polish. After I cure my base coat for 60 seconds, I do polish my whole nail, ring finger and middle finger. Just one coat because it's as covered as I like it to be. Once you cure that for 60 seconds, you're going to want to take a mix of base coat and white gel polish and mix it together to make the design we're going to get next.
And he's on for me, but I'm scared that I will mess up everything in my heart.
Once you have that mixed together, you're just going to want to place it all over the polish to where it's a nice even coat. And you're not gonna want to cure this. So this is the consistency it should look like.
He said, I don't think I want you anymore. So I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. So I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. My one and only. My one and only.
Alright, and once you have that all over the nails, I like to take some top coat because it's a little runnier. And this is how I do the design. It's no specific order. I just like to place it wherever on the nail. And you can start to see it form, so you want to work a little bit quick.
Cause I can't stop thinking about your face, and I don't.
After I got the desired design I wanted, I cured that for 60 seconds. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the next nail.
But I know deep down we'll meet again someday when we reincarnate, and I will be the light and you the lady. I'll make it worth your while. Why don't you stay a while? We'll go by air and drive, and then walk down that aisle, down that aisle, down that aisle.
Alright, once I cured the design in place, I'm just going to follow the same steps on all the rest of the nails.
And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. So I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. My one and only. My one and only. My
a little fun fact about my left pinky nail, you guys. I did put a form on this finger, so it looks a little thicker than the other nails because it's not a tip. Alright guys, now to add some bling and drip to our nails, I will be taking a lot of charms and I'll just be placing them on. However, I like to freestyle my nails. There's no specific idea that I think about before. I just go with the flow of what I'm feeling.
There's a silence we hold between us, and I know it's because of me. And you echo it indifferent,
and he's the one for me. But I'm scared that I will mess up everything in my heart. I know together we will be, 'cause I can't live life without him next to me. I'll make it worth your while. Why don't you stay a while? We'll go by air and drive, and then walk down that aisle. I'll make it worth your while. Why don't you stay a while? We'll go by air and drive, and then walk down that aisle. Down that aisle. He said, I don't think I want you anymore, so I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. So I won't leave. And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only. 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 Na, 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 na.
'cause that night it brought you to me, and the dawnlight is way pretty, and we drank out the city stars.
'Cause I can't stop thinking about your face, and I don't want you to just go and walk away from our love and our trust. Please, I need you.
Alright, and after I have everything cured in place, I did put some top coat on, and here's the desired look.
When we reincarnate, and I will be the light and you the lady. I'll make it worth your while. Why don't you stay a while? We'll go by air and drive, and then walk down that aisle. Down that aisle. Down that aisle. I don't think I want you anymore. So I won't leave. And I want you to be.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you liked about this video, you guys. Love you. Until next time.